let's look at another problem where we're going to use a table to write a Taylor series. Now, before we start, there was a typo in this problem. This on your paper should say f of 1 is 15, and then this one is f double prime of 1 equals 20. So sorry about that. The font is a little hard to read. Okay, so this gives us some values. This one's a little different. This gives us values of f prime. This is f prime of x in the table here. And then we have these two pieces of information as well. And it says write the second degree Taylor polynomial about x equals 1. That means c equals 1. So anytime I write a polynomial, I'm going to write my Taylor formula, which is going to be f of c plus f prime of c times x minus c plus f prime prime of c times x minus c squared over 2 factorial. And it only wants the second degree, so that is good enough. I went out to the second degree term. Now, I'm going to plug in. I know c equals 1, so this will be f of 1 plus f prime of 1, x minus 1, plus f double prime of 1, x minus 1 squared over 2 factorial. Now, I don't know what f is, but I do know these values. They were all given to me. So f of 1, that's the one up here, is 15. Plus f prime of 1. This we're going to have to look in the table. The table is f prime. So f prime of 1 is 8 times x minus 1. And then they give me f double prime of 1 is 20. And then we have x minus 1 squared over 2 factorial. So right there, I have written the second degree polynomial. So that's most of the question, and then the last part says use the polynomial to approximate f of 1.4. All that means is I'm going to plug in 1.4 for x. So 15 plus 8 times 1.4 minus 1 plus 20 times 1.4 minus 1 squared over 2 factorial. And good news, these are usually calculator questions. So I'm just going to plug all of that in to my calculator. Just a second. Whoops, 1.4 minus 1 squared divided by 2 factorial, which is just 2. And I got 19.8 as my approximated value.